guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina, and today I wanted to take a second to show off this. This is actually going to be part of a two-part video, but the first part here is this, and this is how this all worked out. These three boxes here are Craftsman Sleeve Hitch attachments. Yeah, buddy. Three of these things. And the reason I have three of them, well, the last Sears in our area, the last Sears within driving distance, about an hour and a half from here. And I went down there and didn't even realize it, but they were going out of business. In fact, it was one of their final days in business. And they had these things sitting on the ground, and they were on clearance, obviously. So with, I think it was 80% off or something like that. I think I paid about $33 to $35 a piece for these after taxes. So this is like the deal of the century. I had to go ahead and get all three of them. I'm considering it a lifetime supply. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just super stoked about these. Obviously, you take a riding mower, and it's a fairly useful device, but you take a riding mower and you put a sleeve hitch on it, and it's a really useful device. As you know, I got rid of my garden tractor last year, but this will give me the ability to use those sleeve hitch items that I'm now using with my Kubota back on a tractor. So I've got several riding mowers that come and go in my lives here. I fix them up and resell them. But right now I have the Mutt 2, which I made another video on. And I'm going to be modifying one of these Craftsman sleeve hitches to fit that. I wanted to, it's a Murray wide body, so it totally is not designed for this, but I'm going to get it fitted on there, and we'll do some tests here in the spring. I got to turn the garden, so I'll give it a shot trying to turn it with the Murray Mutt that I have. So anyway, for today, that's it. It's just this, I'm just super stoked. So I don't know if any of y'all have Sears that are still in the area. Obviously, Lampert, who's been running the show since it was a successful company, has pretty much run it completely into the ground. These are probably the last days of the original Sears. So if you have one near you and it is going out of business, keep your eyes open because you can get some good deals. There is actually there was a back blade there and a couple of other items too that I did not pick up, but kind of regret not getting the back blade because mine is fairly well worn. So I may be going back there here and picking that up in a day or two. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for today. I'm Eric, and I hope you have a good weekend. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.